Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to use the Bureau of Labor Statistics website. This is a great website for looking up all the information about every career path in America. So the website is bls.gov, and then if you come up here to this little magnifying glass, that's where you'll type in the career that you're interested in. So let's say we're interested in being a teacher. So you type it in, press enter. It'll pull up a bunch of different choices. Typically we find that the ones towards the top are the more accurate and better ones. So to be a teacher, let's say you went kindergarten or elementary or then high school, or let's say you want to do college, that's called post-secondary. So let's click kindergarten and elementary. So here you'll see the Occupational Outlook Handbook. This is where all the information is for the different careers and pretty much any career in America. So here it tells you what the median pay was in 2019. And again, if you don't know what that means, it's got this little question mark. Click it and it'll tell you what that means. So the website is very user-friendly. This first page is just a summary page. So some of the information you might need, like job outlook, that means what is the demand for the job? Is it a growing job or a declining job? And then what they do. So this is like, what is the work environment? What are the duties of the job? Work environments, that's the physical environment of where you will work. How to become one, so what level of education, training, skills that you need. Pay, so that's salary, sometimes it's called. Job outlook, so is it a growing career or declining career? And then this is just some more local information. And then similar occupations, let's say you want to do that job but not exactly that job, and you're like, well, what's another job? Then this will tell you, you could be a child care worker, you could go teach high school, you could be an administrator, an instructional coach. So this is the website you're going to use for this Do Your Research career assignment that is due this week. All right, thanks, have a good day.